Princess Osika here, and of course, Nana Kim, as you usually call me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, hello. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos on my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, 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 welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course, you are very free to watch all the videos on my YouTube channel. So, the mission that was given to us by the K Influencer Academy for the month of October says that we should, talk about any topic, anything related to South Korea, a free topic related to South Korea. So today I am bringing you one of my subscribers. Yes, a very active subscriber of my YouTube channel, and she's a Nigerian. So I decided to do something very unique and different because we were also told that it could be a unique idea, okay? Or it could be the feature of our channel. So I wanted to do something different, and I reached out to one of my very active subscriber because I wanted to also find out what they also think about South Korea. I wanted it to be more of an interactive section. So I am going to bring you the subscriber right now, and she's going to be sharing her own experience, her own South Korean feel and experience, even though she has never been to South Korea. Yes, so I have a couple of questions for her, and she's going to be answering. Now, we do not stay in the same location, but of course, we are in a digital world. So I wanted us to just do something different and amazing. Now, let's get started. What is your name?
Hello, Nana Kim. My name is Waine Messi.
So what do you do for a living? What do you do?
I am a creative storyteller, a poet, and a voice-over artist.
What attracted you to my YouTube channel? Yes, so what was the first attraction that came in?
Your Korean content. I love how you showcase the richness of the Korean people.
Could you please tell us the unique things that you can say about the channel? Yes, because I know while we were discussing, there were some things you chipped in. So let us know some of the unique things. Thank you.
The channel is so detailed in giving us information about the Korean people. I love how you project their lifestyle, their music, and their beautiful landscape. Everything is top notch.
Now, tell us your first encounter you had with South Korea. So let us also see from your perspective, because a lot of my viewers out there, subscribers, and even those who have not subscribed have actually come across this channel, okay? They have been hearing me talk about South Korea. So I want to also get your own perspective. What is your own perspective towards South Korea? So tell me your encounter, everything about it.
That should be in 2017. My first K-dramas were the traditional ones. I love the way the girls dress with their elaborate skirts and their magnificent hairstyles. They are always looking so cute.
Please do want to share your Korean experience so far on the channel. What are those key things you have really derived from the channel? Okay, so we want to know about that. Yes, you are very, very free to share it. You're very free to share it. You're very free to talk about it, because I had to make this more of an interactive session. Yes, that's the purpose for this video.
A lot from your Korean channel. I love how you have showcased the beauty of the Koreans. I've got to know that they are really neat and tidy, like exceptionally neat and tidy. I've also got to know about some of their foods like kimchi, and I am looking forward to trying out kimchi someday. My experience has been fun, it has been explorative, and it has been educative. I've had the opportunity of writing Korean teen stories whose lessons are centered on trust, on love, and on justice. I've also had the opportunity of learning about pansori.
All right, thank you very, very much. I really, really do appreciate you. I am so grateful. I appreciate you, and I also want to appreciate my subscribers out there. Yes, all the subscribers. Oh, well, if no, you're not here, I know that I'm still going to be making more videos as we go. Yes, it's my channel, of course. So I am going to be doing this often because I feel that I need to be closer to you guys, my subscribers out there. Yes, and we all learning here. We are all learning together the South Korean culture, and I know that the Koreans, wherever they are, those who are going to be watching this video, yes, and even the K Brothers Academy, they're going to be very happy too. Of course, I'm going to be very pleased because people are really, really getting interested. I've been getting a whole lot of comments, yes, a lot of comments, feedback from subscribers towards my Korean content. Thank you very much for having me, and I want to say a very big thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Sarang